Zymon B.
Lord, bitch. Not bitch. You know you're not a bitch, Lord. Lord, girl.
Hey guys, what is up? I'm Zymon B and welcome back to my channel. So, we all know that this Saturday or tomorrow or Friday, whatever, wherever you are, it's gonna be an episode of Drag Race. And the challenge for this week's episode is the bag ball. So they're gonna make outfits out of bags. I wanna give it a try because I should be doing what they are tasked to do if I were to judge their outfits, right? So like I'm kind of qualified to like nitpick their outfits. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna try and do that in a day. I'm gonna try and finish this thing that I'm planning in a day. And I'm gonna show you guys right now what kind of bag I'm using. It's this really cute bag that is the zippers are already destroyed and it's kind of like wearing off on itself there. So I'm gonna take this bag apart and I'm gonna make a cute little garment out of it. Yeah, I'm gonna document as much as I can, but I don't promise a lot because I want to focus. Because I don't have a sewing machine, I'm gonna do everything by hand. So yeah, this might be stressful, but this might be worth it. Who knows? Okay, if you want to see what the outcome comes and what my process is, keep on watching. Hello. So, the first thing that I think I would do is take this bag apart. I got my seam ripper here and my scissors, my shears. I'm gonna try and disassemble this bag. I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Like a little bit. If you have a seam ripper, you should buy one of these or like a pair of small scissors. Just gonna like rip the seam open like a that. So I'm gonna do that for the rest of the bag. I'm gonna speed up a little bit and then I'm gonna go off camera and finish it by then. Luckily, the stitches in this bag is very big and it's poorly done, so I can take this bag apart very quickly. Do you see that? I can really like just do that. This bag, no wonder it's so cheap when I bought it. Do you guys like when I make these videos? Because I kind of want to put up more sewing videos too, but it's kind of hard for me to produce because I hate filming while I'm doing shit. It's kind of an unfortunate fact. Got the first pocket done and it has a lining still in the back. I already have like a vision for the design. I didn't draw it down, but I know what's gonna look like. Yeah, I'm so excited to do this actually. It's like super creative and like high pressure. That's what I need in my life right now that it's falling apart, you know what I mean? Ow, oh my god, look how dirty. The indentation from like the... Ew! Whatever, I don't care. I'm gonna do this off camera because this is not really interesting, so... Alright you guys, so I have separated all the pieces that I disassembled. We have here the straps, the piping, the broken zippers. We have here the interfacing and the back pieces and the bottom pieces. We have here the main canvas pieces that has a design on it. And the interfacing. Now the interfacing would say bye-bye because they are all worn out by this point. I'm just gonna use all of the other materials to build the next outfit. So my idea is to make a vest, like a cargo military kind of vest with details of the straps, is that, and the back of the bag would be the same back for this. I'm gonna try and come up with designs of patchworking this canvas, try and make a shape out of it that looks like a vest or something, and that's it. That's the update. Okay you guys, I have pinned them together and this is the two panels that I got. I'm gonna sew those panels and then cut them into however the shape of the vest would be, and I'm thinking of putting like two of those bag straps in front as well, so it adds more design element. Pretty excited actually. I kind of snapped. Oh my god. Okay, so I've sewn all of them together and now I'm trying to figure out how I would do the back. I also cut it into the vest shape as well. Use the back like here, and then maybe the lining here, and then maybe something that could connect these two. Use like the more lining there, the strips of zippers. I don't know. We're figuring it out. Okay, so this is the progress now that I have done the back. It's almost done actually, which is really surprising, but a lot of details will be added. But the base of it is almost finished. What I'm gonna do is actually add broken zippers, or maybe like the black straps over there, or this elastic that I have on the shoulder so it connects with the back piece, and it would add more design to it. Thinking the zippers just because it looks really cool too. It looks more deconstructed and all that. I'm liking this so far, and I'm very stressed, but you know what? I think it'll be worth it. So yeah, that's how I made this freaking garment, and I hope you guys enjoyed that runway as well, because I really had fun filming that for you. And making this was very stressful, but it is very worth it. I really love this vest right now. It's a moment. It is kind of a moment.
And she is the moment. Now come on now.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you want to see more of my face. And if you really like it, then should have put up a it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you want to follow me on all my social medias, it's all at Zymon B. You can like our Facebook page, facebook.com/I'm7B. And as always, I hope to see you guys soon, and have a great day ahead. It's Christmas, let's go home. Also, if you want to watch more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below.
What are your musings on that, Candy? I love it.